Hello everyone, it's Rinke here. Come make this delicious one-pot coconut rice and chicken with me. First, I'm marinating the chicken with a host of spices. I'm going to have everything listed in the description. So there's sprinkle on everything and then work in the spices thoroughly just to make sure that everything is well coated and seasoned. Once you've done that, you can rest it for a couple of hours or just go straight to searing. So I've put some oil in the pan. Now I'm just going to try to sear the meat. This isn't me actually cooking it, it's not cooking through. I'm just trying to get some really good color and crisp on it so that I can then finish it off in the coconut rice. So this is going to take a little bit of time. High heat is best. Once you've done that, just set all of the meat aside. Again, this is still raw. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of coconut oil into the pot. I'm adding in some onions, and once that's a little bit browned, I'm going in with some tomatoes and hot pepper. I used atarudo or scotch bonnet in this. I'm adding one bay leaf. You can add more. Now I've added in the rice, which was washed and then rested. This process is not compulsory, but it kind of just adds a little bit of depth into this dish. So I definitely recommend not skipping it. Now I'm adding in the coconut milk and then some water. So the ratio of coconut milk combined with water is about equal part. Now I added in seasoning cube and salt. I'm just going to give that a good mix. And then once that's all mixed in there, I'm going to put in the chicken. So the chicken that we seared and set aside earlier is what I'm putting in now. I'm going to put all of the chicken in, and no, the pot is not too small. It is not too small. Okay, awesome. So we have all of our chicken in. Because I'm using a good cast iron skillet, I'm not going to cover this with foil. If you're using, say, stainless steel pan without like really good heat distribution, definitely you can cover with foil. This took about 30 minutes because I used parboiled rice. If you're using Sela Basmati, you can afford to only cook it for about 25 minutes. But this is where we have perfectly cooked rice. Delicious, so tasty. You can also add in some crayfish if you want, but I didn't use crayfish in this recipe, and I just finished it with a little bit of fresh thyme just for that extra oomph. So delicious, guys.